Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to add about negative s. Later that we need to put about positive s. So the reason I need to create this one because I want to create about the factor divided by s squared minus number 1. So this one we can do about factorization by s. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1, and now we just have only s. So the integration of s, we have s squared over number 2. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of s squared minus number 1. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.